Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is what has been noteworthy in 2025. So the top three things. Number one is the impact of geopolitics. They have ruled the day, from China shutting off the US and actually the rest of the world from rare earths and critical minerals required from everything from electronics to defense, to the war in the Middle East choking off the Suez Canal and cyber attacks throughout. We are retreating from globalization, but in a smart way. Number two is manufacturing has been in a recession since 2023, with a few months that have perked up slightly. So, since it's been in a recession, in 2025, there have been at least 10 trillion and some estimates show $20 trillion of investments into manufacturing, shipbuilding, and data centers. So it looked like it's on the mend. Number three is AI and advanced technologies. You can't go a day without seeing it prevalent in the news, and it's essential to being able to meet competitive conditions and key customer requirements while keeping costs under control and beating out the competition. So stay tuned for next week when we talk more about what to think about for 2026.